Now friends, we are at March 6. March 6 says J Cotton lent us $1,000 paying by check. So therefore, what is this now? He lent us some money paying by check. That means we are receiving money, right? Therefore, and we are receiving money by check. And remember that when we say by check, it means that we are dealing with the bank account. In this case, we are receiving money and putting that money into the bank account. So therefore, we're going to debit the bank column under the cash book. So watch this now. March 6, putting the date. We put in the date first. March 6. J Cotton, and in brackets you're going to put something like this: loan, because you are getting a loan from him. Understood, friends? You are getting a loan from him. So you're getting a loan from him by check. Therefore, we place the amount. What is the amount? The amount is $1,000. Open to set you're following your sheet, please. This transaction as we go along. Next, March 8. We pay the following accounts by check. Please note, we paid the following accounts by check. And I repeat, we paid the following accounts by check. That means we are paying money now. In each case, deducting a 2.5% cash discount. Money was paid to N Black, P Tours, and C Rose. Therefore, since we are making payments, we're going to put this on the payment side, and we paid by what? By check. So therefore, everything will go under the bank column. But there was a cash discount of 2.5%. Therefore, you're going to find 2.5% of 360, 2.5% of 480, and 2.5% of 800. First person is Mr. N Black. We are paying N Black some money. We are paying N Black $360, and he is giving us a cash discount of 2.5. He's giving us a cash discount of 2.5%, my friends. PL mean page ledger. Page 13 of the purchases ledger. That what it mean, because we are recording, because N Black is a creditor because we bought goods from him. So now we are paying him for goods that we bought from him. Alright, to calculate 2.5%, we're going to calculate 2.5% at this time. For a while we go through this thing, my friends. Alright, now, so it is 2.5%, so it is basically 2.5 divided by 100 multiplied by 360 at equal to 9. So therefore we're going to place 9 in this column, this receive column, and the amount that is left is $351. So we're going to place 351 in this column. The next, the others will be done with the same procedure. March 8, P Tours, PL 14, and then we're going to find the percentage. So it will be 2 times 1 divided by 2. That's it. So 2.5 divided by 100 times, what is that? P2 is 480, and it will equal to 12. So therefore replace 12 under the discount received column, and then minus 12 from the 480. 480 minus 12, 480 or 480, and take away 12. How much is that? That will be 468, right friends? That will be 468. Next one is Mr. March, Mr. C Rose. PL 15, and when we work out the 200% of $800, when it says, please note that when it says cash discount, it doesn't mean that the person is, you're paying by cash, or the person is paying you by cash. It's just discount, cash discount. But the question says that we paid the accounts by check. So it's 2.5 divided by 100 times 800 equal 20. So therefore you replace the 20 right here, and you replace 780 over on this column. So that is how this part of transaction is done, my friends. Look at it, know it. Well, we go now to March 10. March 10 says paid motor expenses in cash. This time around we are paying for motor expenses in cash. We are making a payment, so therefore money is coming out. Money is coming out of the cash account. Therefore you want to credit the cash book. So therefore write March 10 motor expenses and the question is, how much is the amount again, friends? The amount is $44. Alright, we go to moving on to March 12 now. On March 12, H. Hankins paid his account of $75 by check. $74 deducting $3 cash discount. So here the cash discount has already been worked out. H. Hankins paid his account of $75. He is paying this time around. We are not paying, somebody else is paying us, so therefore we are receiving money. So we go to the debit side of the cash book. He is paying his account of $77 by check. However, we have given him a $3 cash discount. Here we see where the cash discount has already been worked out. Therefore you're gonna have March 12, H. Hankins. Then we're gonna place I'm gonna place SL SL6 here. Discount amount is what? $3, and he paid this account by what? By check. Therefore we're going to place the amount on the bank column of the cash book, which is 74. So you will see here now that you can see clearly that there's a $3 discount, right? However, in this case the discount has already been worked out, so we don't need to work out it again, unless the question said H. Hankins paid his account of $75 by check, and we deducted a 3% cash discount. Whenever you see percentage, you work out the percent. But if you see it like this now, you just place the amount where there should be. $3 cash discount, that means there was a discount of $3, so therefore you place 3 under the discount allowed column. because you, the businessman, is giving H. Hankins discount. Alright. Next one, March 15th, paid staff in cash. That means we are paying our staff in cash. So therefore we'll go to the credit side of the cash book. March 15, which is the date. Staff, or we could write pay, and the amount is in cash. Therefore we put our amount under the cash column because we paid him in cash. So it's $160. Alright. March 18. Hope you are following your sheet. The following paid their accounts by check, in each case deducting 5% cash discount. The accounts are C. Winston $260, R. Wilson and Son $340, H. Winter $460. We at the top we already have those persons' name, right? No, we don't. Alright, so now they've paid these persons are paying their accounts. That means that we are getting money. Therefore we're going to go to the receipt side or debit side of the cash book, and I'm going to do a thing there. In each case they got 5% cash discount. So C. Winston will be getting 5% cash discount, R. Wilson and Son will be getting 5% cash discount, and H. Winter will be getting 5% cash discount. So now let us go, because therefore we're going to find 5%. First person is what? C. Winston. No, this one is SL7. Alright, so you can just say 5%. It's going to be 5 divided by 100 times what? Times 260. This is the amount that will be paid. This is the amount that will be placed under the discount allowed column. It is $13. So you are 13, and if you take away 13 from 260, you would have a figure of what? 247. Right? Yes. Next one, March 18, Mr. R. Wilson and Son. Wilson and Son. These people are paying up their money that they owe us, or they owe you, the businessman. Because it says SL8. No, let's just work out this 5%. So you're going to be 5 divided by 100 times 5 divided by 100 times 340 would be equal to 17. You're going to write 17 under the discount allowed column, and if you minus 17 from 340, how much would you get? You would get 323, right? Yes, that's it, my friends. Therefore 323 will go under the bank column. Alright, now next one, March 18. The last person is Mr. H. Winter. He is paying us his money of $406. However, he is receiving a cash discount of 5%. So you're gonna find 5% of the 460. 5 divided by 100 times 460. That would equal to 23. This figure would go into our discount allowed column, and if you minus 23 from 460, you get a figure of 437. So that's it for that, my friends, for March 18.